Welcome to Gatekeeper Law. This is the quick start demo. When you first log in, if you're registered as an admin, the first thing you want to do is go to the navigation menu, choose the Manage Firm option. This brings up a screen in which you can look at your licenses, your billing, you can upload a logo for the simple invoice, and you can edit the firm settings. Choosing the Edit Firm allows you to set your billing rate interval. You can have it do the actual time, round to 6 minutes or to 15 minutes. Next, you'll want to return to the navigation menu, choose Manage Content, and this brings up the two databases in which you'll put in your matter types and your activity codes. Choosing matter type brings up the set of default matter types that are in here. You can delete or edit any of these, or simply add a new one by choosing the Create New Matter Type in the green header bar. You can name it whatever you would like and submit. Returning to the Content Editor main page, we could do the same with activity codes. Edit or change or delete any of the default codes, or add a new activity code. To add clients, you'll go to the navigation drop-down menu, choose Clients. In the green header bar, you'll see the Create New Client button. This creates a pop-up window in which you can put your client information, your names, your numbers, zip code, address. You can also choose an overall billing rate here or put any specific notes in about the client. Once you have clients created, you can choose the green Eye View button beside said client. This puts the client to the left and creates a window with the matters to the right. To add a new matter, you click the Create New Matter in the green header bar. Select one of the matters from that database we created and edited a moment ago. Add a description of the matter, an identifier, and in this view you can also change the billing rate if you would like to overwrite from the general billing rate we entered underneath the client. Choosing on a given matter puts it underneath the client detail on the left and brings up the activities on the right. To add a new activity, we choose the Create New Activity button in the green header bar. Choose one of the activities from the activity database we edited it a second ago. Add a description. Once again, we can override the billing rate. And this is where we also choose if this particular activity is billable or non-billable. To view an activity's time logs, we choose the green Eye View button under a given activity. And we can see all time logs currently under for that activity. To create a new timer from this workflow, we use the light blue Start Timer button underneath the activity details. This will bring up the timer. When you go into this workflow underneath the activity, it autofills the client, the matter, and the activity for you. You can choose a begin date and an end date for the timer, put your narrative under notes, and if you would like to edit the timer, you can choose specific hours or minutes and put them in manually. From here, we can either complete the time log or save as a draft. Choosing Save as Draft puts it underneath the time tracker drafts in the main dashboard. All of these drafts can be opened and edited. And either saved again as a draft or completed. Completing it will put under the completed time log for the given activity. To set up billable and non-billable goals, we go to the Profile, choose Preferences, and Edit User. In here, we can set the time goals for our badges at the top, your daily billable goal and your non-billable goal. You can also change your general default billing rate for yourself. This will autofill for every client you put in. You can always overwrite in the other fields mentioned before. The quick timer is located at the top beside the navigation drop-down menu. This timer pulls up a general empty timer in which the client, the matter, and activity code are not selected. You can run the timer, put in any notes. If you're in a hurry and would like to save as a draft, you can do that. You can complete from this timer as well, but it's important to note that you must select a client, a matter, and activity code to complete. Those are the basic functions for the quick start for the gatekeeper law. Thank you.